Apple has added a new feature to Siri, allowing users to set a default music service of their choice. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set your default music service on Siri. Now let's get started. To begin, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 14.5 or newer. Then say, "Hey Siri." Ask Siri to play a song you'd like to listen to. You'll be prompted to indicate which service you'd like to use to play that song. If prompted to allow access to your data from that service, say yes. After that, your default music service has been set. Anytime you ask Siri to play music going forward, that service will be used by default. That's all it takes to set your default music service on Siri. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.